Hello. So today I got a little surprise. Well, it's a surprise to me. My storage manager came through and he knows I sell stuff, and they had an auction that had a zero bid on it, and he's offering it to me for free. And he gave me the storage number, and he just said, hey, take a look, and if you like it, you can take it. If you don't, you can leave it. So since this is a surprise to me, I thought it'd be nice to take y'all with me and show you what might be, what could be. So we're gonna come and check this out. It's rare that you get a free unit, but the unit number is, I can go in this door here. I gotta get in here. All right, we're in. Well, and it's right here. And this is just a 5x5, so we're not expecting much. And it's a zero bid, so we're not expecting much. Okay. Well, this got a zero bid. This is a speaker box. This is a Instant Vortex Plus. That's probably an air fryer. That's a microwave. There's a nightstand, a shelf. That's a funky knife. And a spider. There's an air fryer. And that's parts to a bed. Well, I'm gonna tell you now, I'm gonna be taking most of this. I'll tell you that right now. And he said, what I don't want, I can leave. So there's no trash involved. So I'm gonna take exactly what I can use. Wonder if there's any speakers in this box, but that's a box there. So have a small element of surprise. Looks to be a bed. Might even be a queen bed in there. Yeah. And the crazy thing is I didn't even bring my truck, but it's just a small distance. So I'd get a hand truck and I just muscle it over. Give y'all another look again. That's what I'm looking at. There's definitely an air fryer. It isn't clean, but it isn't the filthiest. I don't know what that is. That's I mean, I'm assuming this is an air fryer too. The microwave's definitely going. And they got LEDs. They put LEDs in this little shelf. All right, that's enough for me. Finna go get the hand truck. This is, don't forget it. Let's just go ahead and pull some out. Knife, definitely. All right. That is part of a bed. That's a rail. It's an up-to-date bed. Modern bed. It's a rig. Perfect time of year. This is desk or something maybe. It's a desk or something. It's something. These are the bed parts. Lots of bed parts. There's some shelving back there. But definitely. Put LEDs in there. They're just sticking something in there. But probably not going to take that. I got to tell myself I'm only going to take what's quality. My space is limited. I can't be just... Can't just take anything anymore. But wow. Oh, take a look at that. It's all free. You think I ain't gonna do it? Think I ain't gonna do it? This should be a queen bed, it's looking like. That's a headboard. That's a footboard. And the rails. That's a platform too. Got this little small table in there. Not much to say for it. I'm gonna leave that. That's gonna be trash. I could have sworn he said a TV. It might be a TV in there. This box weighs a ton. This box looks just homemade, but all right. Now, if you look for some surprises, box number one is clothing. Men's clothing. Starting off with a jersey. Who is that? Because I don't even watch football. Hurts. This is standard men's clothes. As I said to him, let's go up here with it. All right. Now we can see this is bedding, pillows, comforters, and stuff like that, to that sort. And the bottom box has might be kitchenwares. All right, but this is a whole shelving system back here. It's empty, but it's a nice shelf there. We got back here foot bath, pots, pans. Okay, so we're gonna recap, you know. Got this shelving thing. It might be a desk that lifts up and maybe display stuff. This stuff considered trash. It'll be thrown away. We got the big speakers, like these might even be some 15s. By a brand I never heard of, so I'm only putting half. My trust in it. Box full of men's clothes. Is that another jersey? A sweater. Oh, these boys like the Eagles. I want to be. I don't try to avoid pulling any surprise pictures or anything out. So, but we have this stuff here. Microwave. I'm guessing this is an air fryer. That's got bedding in it. The pillow's got a picture on it, so I don't want to show it. And what they're looking like, thinking kitchen pots and pans in there. And we got a big shelving system back there. And this will be a queen size bed. All this, these metal pieces and parts, I believe that'll be a queen size bed. So yeah. So yeah. That's coming with me for the free. Remember that. And let me just stop now. Give all praises to the Most High. As long as I continue to bless people and praise his name, he continues to bless me. So, we give all praises to the Most High God. Thank you, Father. All right. We're fixing to go and get a hand truck. Yes, sir. All right, so just thought I'd bring y'all along to show you all that. Just the blessings. I just can't give him enough praise. I just can't. Can't give him enough. All right. Thank you, people, for watching. If you're on YouTube, give me a like. Give me a quick comment or something like that. Let's talk about it. What do you like? What do your free unit look like? I know you got some. All right. Till next time, it's Terry. Yeah, it's Terry. Neighborhood Furniture. And we working.